Hey guys, so I just wanted to make this video. I just got home from work shortly and I'm extremely exhausted because it's hard working 12 hours and then coming home. And I tell you, what I want to do is sit on the couch and like pass out and take a nap and fall asleep. But when you're building a business online, you got to show up. So I wanted to make a quick video and tell you guys how it's important for you guys to start learning to build a business online. And I wanted to tell you guys where I started. I started with zero experience, zero followers, zero, you know, desire to hear on these videos because I was afraid. I was afraid I was going to fail. What would people think? And I did fail. I failed a lot and I fell right on my face, but I kept getting up and trying new things. And I also started networking with people, which is a huge help because you build relationships and they will help you push through. One thing that I wanted to encourage you guys to do is start something. Stop watching all these other people build a business and make money online. I'm here to tell you it is legit. And I can prove that to you. I can show you. And I just want to encourage you. I want to encourage you to start today. I honestly don't care if you do something that I'm offering you. I just want you to start. That's what's important to me. And start building that business. And in 6 months, 8 months, 9 months, you're going to see how much easier it becomes. I'm doing things now that I never imagined, because when I first started as an affiliate, it was scary. I didn't know. And now I'm a digital marketer and now I have multiple streams of income. And some of those things that I'm doing are just showing up for 10 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day to do a simple process that I've learned, and it's making me money. And the other day I did a video about batch creating, these type of videos, and that is key because if I were to try to come home after a day after working 12 hours and being completely exhausted and trying to get my head straight to make 3, 4, 5 videos, and then my family's coming home and dinner, and then you're getting ready for work the next day, it just wouldn't happen. So I'm just here to, give you guys a little nudge and say, just start learning the skills, start feeling comfortable on camera because it can truly change your life. Save this video, follow me, because I'm going to teach you all the skills you need and all the information you need to start building your business online.